Miss Dale, pwede po umupo. Libre yung, para mukhang madami tayo. Okay, so, this afternoon, we're going to talk about putting up your commercial portrait studio. So, yun yung, meron ba dito nagko-consider na mag-studio? Joey. Okay. So, importante, na natutunan ko as a photographer, kailangan asawa mo, arkitekto. Kasi libre na agad yung design. Tsaka, engineer para yung construction, no? Dapat contractor. So again, my name is Dale, D-A-I-L. Last name is Derry, T-R-I. I teach commercial portrait studio at Philippine Center for Creative Imaging. Ayos natin yung mic. Ay, may feedback. Ayan. Okay, I think that's better. Yung microphone.
Tinuturo.
Okay. So, ito yung third poster. Yan. So, this course is great for those photographers who are contemplating on putting up their own studio, home-based studio, or gusto nyong home service, but it deals more on taking pictures of families, babies, corporate. So, kung mas madalas kayong mag-shoot sa mga corporate clients, say CEO, paano yung tamang posing, paano pagka masyadong mataba, okay? Kasi hindi naman lahat pinagpala ng Diyos, yung iba absent, no? So, pero marami dito mukhang present na present nung nagsabog si Lord ng kagandahan at kagupuhan. Okay, so this afternoon, very quick details lang on the basic things that you need kung ano yung mga equipment na kailangan mong mag-invest, okay? Tsaka, mas maganda ba kung mag-rent ka ng commercial space for a studio? Pwede bang home-based or pwede bang home service? Okay, so, very quick run-through for a basic equipment na kailangan mo for this kind of photography. At least, syempre, meron kang camera, tsaka memory cards, at least 2 studio lights, depending on what your subjects would be. Kunyari, kung more on group or family portraits, I would go for at least 400 watts na o 600 watts na ilaw. Maraming mga 150 watts na ilaw. That's good kung kunyari babies or individual portraits, no? Pero sabi ko nga, kung mag-i-invest ka rin lang at may budget, go for the mas mataas na wattage or mas malaking softbox. Bakit? Pag kailangan mong hinaan, madali. Pero pag kailangan mo ng mas mataas na wattage, so 150 watts ka lang, tapos 100 people yung kukunan mo ng picture, say company party, company portrait nila, no? Bitin ka na kaagad. And then at least isang reflector, or pwede namang improvise din yung reflector, softbox and umbrella. And then for the background, go for the neutrals. Yung white, black, gray. Tapos isang what we call a Rembrandt background. Pero ang gusto ko for having a white background is you can make it white. Pwede mo siyang going gray. Pwede mo siyang going black. Even without Photoshop. So, sa studio, maganda kung white na yung walls mo. Kasi mas madaling i-manipulate later on. And then, of course, you have classic props. This would be, kung babies ka magko-concentrate, maganda yung meron ka mga blankets, or meron tayong parang seat talaga pang bata, especially for newborn. Kasi pag newborn, hindi pa niya nare-raise yung ulo niya, hindi pa siya nakaka-crawl. Merong certain position na appealing. No? And then, kung naman mga say portraits, it would be good to have blazers or suits, basta stick to neutral color palettes also. And then of course, dahil digital na, computer is a must. Kung meron kang kaibigan na magaling mag-assemble ng computer, you don't need to buy yung isang gawa na. You can actually buy them by parts, tapos assemble nyo na lang. Okay? And then external hard disk for backup, of course. Adjustable bar stool. Especially pag sa portraits, hindi masyadong maganda mag-shoot with a seat na may sandalan, no? Unless, kunyari, corporate shot, say si President Noynoy sa official seat niya, okay lang, no? Pero, kasi ang tendency ng tao, pagka nagpaupo ka sa may sandalan, sa sandal, magsaslouch, Plus, distracting sa picture yung merong sandalan pa. Pero isang technique, kunwari, nagpa-practice ka lang, nag-start ka. So, meron kang monoblock. Imbis na kuna mo siya na dito lang, takpan mo ng tela. No, especially, kunyari, white background, tapos meron kang white cloth na bibili lang sa Divisoria. No? Itatakip mo lang na gano'n, hindi na masyado distracting sa picture. No? So, kung kailangan nyo ng monoblock, nagbebenta rin kami. Okay? Parang seryoso naman itong group na to. Bawal na kasi umangat. No? So, next would be step ladder. Bakit? Sometimes, okay, if you choose to invest in kunwari yung lights na nakakabit sa ceiling, merong rail, tapos hindi remote yung binili nyong ilaw, kailangan mo ng step ladder to control it, or even if you're using a light stand. Also, yung step ladder, pwede rin siyang props. No? You can take group photos na, like 4 people in one step ladder. No? May mga certain poses for that. Blazers, casual jackets, and then meron ka dapat, tawag ko kikay box or kikay kit. Kasi dito yung minsan, no, hindi natin maiwasan sa studio, pagka may walk-in clients ka, hindi masyado kailangan siyang make-upan. Ganun. Mabait lang siya. Hindi siya masyado kagandahan o kagwapuhan. Si Sir tawa ng tawa. Doon ka sa gwapo na side niya. So, kailangan ayusin natin yan. No? That would be your foundation, or kunyari meron kang wax for the boys. No? Okay. And then, a dressing area is a very good idea kasi minsan habang nagbibihis pa yung next client mo, you're shooting another client in your pictorial area. Okay? And then, restroom. Minsan kasi yung iba, pero sa building, no, mag-rent ka ng space, meron lang silang common restroom. Ang problema, kunyari, nag-take ka ng fashion shoot sa studio mo na binody paint mo yung client mo. So medyo nude, pero naka-body paint siya. Paano pag wash up na siya, pupunta pa siya sa common restroom? Unlike, if you have a restroom in your own studio, convenient, no? Parang extra add-on. So, paano pag nawiwili ka? Okay, mahirap magpigil. Okay. And then, of course, your memory card reader, light stands. Yung light stands kasi, hindi siya pang lights lang. Pwede mong isabit yung background doon. Pwede mong i-clip yung reflector. Okay? And then, illustration boards, marami siyang gamit because it can serve as your, tatawag nating gobo, okay? Or reflector. Pwede rin siya. Tsaka ang illustration board, merong black and white na side, no? So, yung white is to reflect, black if you want to add shadows,